How to make a social media overlay in Photopea. Go to Google and press on Photopea Online Photo Editor. Press on Templates, scroll down and click on Clickbait Text 3.0. Double-click on the text and edit your text, then drag it to the bottom left. After, double-click on the character option and change the size to around 80. Double-click on Example again, and double-click on Drop Shadow. Change the size to 10, the distance to 0, and change the color to white. Now double-click on Stroke and change the size to 5 and turn on the outer glow option. Now grab your icon and drag it to the workspace. Resize it to your liking and set it next to your text. Now double-click on your icon and turn on the options for Drop Shadow, Stroke, Outer Glow, and Contour. As you can see, your icon is coming along, and press OK. Now grab your other icons and repeat the process. When turning on the options for Drop Shadow, Outer Glow, Stroke, and Contour, the settings are going to be set already from the first time we edit them. Now go to the example section, right-click, and select Duplicate Layer. Move the duplicate text next to the other icon and edit it if you need to. Grab your next icon and repeat the process again. Once you duplicate your layer and edit your text, you are pretty much done. When finished, go to File and Export as PNG. Give your project a name and save it. I'll save it to my desktop for this example. And that's it, guys. That's how to make a social media overlay in Photopea. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.